Hey guys, this is Pritam and you are watching Drawing Class. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Then fold the left edge to the right. And then open the flap, folding its top part downward. Next, fold the right corner to the left. And next, fold the tip to the right and unfold. And then unfold the flap. And next, fold the right part inward and then fold the tip outward along the creases you have made. Take another square sheet of paper. Then fold the paper in half diagonally. Next, fold the top layer of the bottom corner upward. Fold the tips of the top corners inward. Next, fold the corners downward to make the ears. Leave some space on the top between the flaps. Expand the second item and spread some glue on the top part of the first item and insert it inside the second item. And draw some eyes and nose. And you can see this, the puppy is ready. I hope this video is helpful to you, and tomorrow I will be back with a new session. Till then, you take care and thank you for subscribing our channel. Have a great day. Bye.